Yo, what's up guys, Shroy here from just another style channel, coming back you guys again with another video today. I'm super excited to make this video is because I told myself I would not be able to wear the clothes from this video till I actually made the video, and all the stuff over here is actually all the way from Black Friday in 2018, and as I'm recording this right now it's already 2019, so your boy has been slacking pretty hard on this video, but that's what happens, life gets in the way sometimes. But finally I told myself enough is enough and I finally want to wear this stuff. And if you guys don't know what I'm talking about, I'm talking about this collection over here, and if the double X's does not give you a hint by now, it is the KAWS Uniqlo Sesame Street collaboration from the second drop. I actually did a video on the first drop, so if you guys want to check that out, I'm gonna link it up there for you guys. But without further ado, let's get into this video because I really want to start wearing these. So I'm gonna break this video down into two parts. First I'm gonna talk about the clothing, and then I'm gonna talk about the plushes. If you guys don't know, in my last video I actually did mention that the drop should have had plushes. I was kind of disappointed, and I don't know if someone watched my video out there because I put that out a while back, or I spoke it into existence or something, but the plushes finally came out. I'm just messing with you guys, I know I have no influence out there, but the plushes finally did come out. Super excited to talk about them, super excited to finally see them because they're all wrapped up and I've been waiting to unbox them in this video for you guys. Oh man, I'm super excited. So without further ado, let's get into the apparel that I picked up from this drop. Alright, so the first thing I have up over here is actually this t-shirt from the last drop. As you guys can see, there's more characters from Sesame Street on the t-shirt now. This time you got the whole gang that was actually in plush form as well. So you got Big Bird, you got Bert, Ernie, Elmo, the KAWS figure, and you also got Cookie Monster on there on the side. If I give you guys a close-up on the t-shirt, you guys can see that they actually do have the signature KAWS X's for eyes over there, and that is always a dope touch to t-shirts. I'll let you guys know it's not just a regular Sesame Street shirt, but it is a KAWS shirt. So if people think you're an overgrown man wearing Sesame Street, you are not. You are a hype beast wearing Sesame Street characters. Get it right, get it out there. And yeah, obviously Uniqlo material, super dope, super comfortable t-shirt. I got a size small in this and it fits me perfect. So if you guys are worried about sizing in terms of these t-shirts over here, do not worry at all. Go your regular true to size. I find that it helps for me. Sometimes I am a smaller guy and I shrink pretty often sometimes during the year and I get extra small, but small fit me perfectly this time. So if you want size up for a little looser look, but small is a perfect fit, so go true to size on all of the Sesame Street clothing or all of the Uniqlo shirts in general from their KAWS collaborations. Next up, we actually have this crewneck over here. Now this crewneck came in two colors. It came in gray and it came in black. I picked up the black one. It's really clean, really simple on the front. As you guys can see, it is actually stitched in X's for the KAWS logo over there, so that was super dope. And they also have a little bit of the collaboration on the back as well, because, you know, as I said, this is a Sesame Street collaboration. You guys might be wondering, what does the KAWS logo have to do with the Sesame Street collaboration? Well, boom, as you guys can see on the back over here, they got the whole gang in like a negative image over there, so that looks pretty dope. And it honestly is not the most notable thing. You could actually wear it in reverse as well, so if you want to do that, you could. But honestly, this is the way I want to rock it. I found it super clean to just have the X's in the front. Super cozy piece, and yeah, I can't wait to finally start wearing this because I was super excited when I got this. I'm like, you know what, I can't do this to myself and wear this shirt and know how great it is and not tell you guys about it. I know if you guys go on the app, there's still leftovers for all of these items out there. They do not sell out. That is the best thing about the KAWS Uniqlo collaborations, is that now they've actually upped the stock. Resale is a little bit on there, not as much as people thought it was going to be. So you know what, to all the resellers that got the stuff, it's all good. I hope you made your money while you could. I know I did for some of the stuff, but yeah, do that out there. Rock these shirts. You can still find them and they probably will go on sale soon. I know if you download the app, you can actually get $5 off. So you can get $5 off and you get one of these t-shirts for a really good price, like $15. The t-shirts retailed for I think $19, and then this crew neck over here retailed for $29.90 Canadian dollars. So not bad at all for a crew neck. Get the $5 off coupon, you're paying $24.90. After tax, you're paying like $27, $28, $29. Yeah, that was really helpful, right? My math right there. But yeah, you're paying like under $30 for a crew neck. Super dope, super cool, and yeah, super excited to share these with you guys. Now before I get into plushes, let me show you all the hang tags that are on the shirts. So on the t-shirts, as you guys can see, they actually do have the same image that was on the t-shirt, which is the whole gang over here with the KAWS Sesame Street sign on top of it. So this was a little cool touch to it. I really like that they go all out with the branding on the t-shirts. It's not just the regular Uniqlo tags that you guys see with just your sizes on there. So it's a really nice touch to have these tags, and that is the tags for it. Now let's get into the plushes, which I'm sure you guys are excited to see as much as I am. Alright, so now as you guys can see here, the plushes came in this huge box, and this entire thing retailed for 200 Canadian dollars. That's right, I said 200 Canadian dollars. Kill me now for spending that much on plushes, but trust me, I really wanted these. And there's also another reason why I wanted them, not just for myself. I actually have no space to put this right now. I'm still figuring out where I'm gonna store this. My whole family's mad at me. Where am I gonna put this, and what am I gonna do with this for now? But I actually did want this as well for when I have little kids in the future, because I want to have little hype kids, and you know what, those fit pics are not going to be complete without a little plushie from Sesame Street about the same size as them. So I had to get it for the gram. I'm thinking in advance from now. It's all up in here. I'm gonna enjoy these for now, and then my hype kids in the future are gonna enjoy them, and I hope they like them as much as I will, because you know what, I'm on dead stock them now and then keep them on ice till I can find some place to store these and put them on display till the hype kitties come into the picture. So without further ado, let's get into this box over here. I'm super excited. Oh man, this has been a long time coming. Finally want to see all of them up close. I saw them in store, but I want to see my personal pair. And yeah, I got the whole gang in here, so let's get into it. Right off the bat, boom, as you guys can see, the paper actually has the Sesame Street characters on it as well, so that was a super dope touch. I'm gonna unbox this, I'm gonna lay them all out, and I'm gonna show you them all one by one. So they all come wrapped up like this. I'm gonna unwrap them one by one and show you guys an up close and personal look at each and every single Sesame Street character. So let's get into it. Alright, so first up here, it looks like we have Bert from the looks of it. Let's unbag this and get a close look at him. Alright, so here we have Bert, as you guys can see, super dope. The mouth actually does open a little bit, and yeah, you can actually move the mouth a little bit. KAWS X eyes up here on the front of him, his little hair on top. Honestly, homeboy has a better cut than me, in my opinion. Sizing wise, he's pretty much the size of my entire torso. And yeah, I'm not the tallest guy in the world. I like to think I'm 5'5". Other people like to say I'm 5'4". I am 5'5". I am not repeating that again. I am 5'5", and I'm putting my foot down, and look at the, speaking of that, putting my foot down, yo, look at the shoes on Bert over here. Yo, he is flossing, he is stunning. Oh my god, look at these kicks, they're fresh. He's super fly right now, wearing his little Polo Ralph Lauren looking polo over here. Oh my god, super dope. That's Bert. Let's move on to the next one. And from the looks of this, looks like it's Elmo. Let's crack him open. Yo guys, I am super excited to see Elmo. Okay, as you guys can see, the mouth is covered up, but look. Pow. Elmo over here, KAWS X eyes, his nose. I think I got the better nose between the two of us. His hands over here. Elmo is looking dope, honestly. Yo, this is dope. This is dope. I'm super excited for little kitties in the future to play with these. Yo, I'm excited because I'm playing with these right now. Yo, honestly, great size. Eyes on it are super dope. Stitching is perfect. I cannot complain. I am so happy right now. I'm like a kid in a toy shop. This literally feels like that to me. Let's move on to the next one, because I'm getting more and more excited every time I unwrap a single character. So let's get into the next one over here. I think we have Ernie. Can't have Bert without Ernie. So let's unwrap Ernie over here. That was a struggle, but we finally have Ernie over here. Honestly, Ernie is looking pretty dope too. And let me get Bert back here for this one. Boom, Bert and Ernie side by side. Wouldn't have it any other way. Look at that, both of them stunning, fresh haircuts. Look at Bert. Look at Bert's eyebrows, bro. Look at him, man is stunning. Look at them golden arches, bro. He's doing good. Matching outfits here, both of them are always fresh. I'm telling you, this is a hype couple right here. Look at that. Ooh, he even got the cuff in the pants. Yo, I want you guys to take this in for a second. Man pinrolled his pants over here. Got the Adidas kicks on feet. Look at that, boom, stunt in on everybody. I think out of the two, Ernie is probably the more fresh one than Bert over here. Look at that. I think just Ernie's outfit. Oh, look at that. This man could be like ASAP's like fashion icon inspiration over here. I swear this is where ASAP gets his fit inspirations from. I swear ASAP's worn something like this in the past, releasing all them Guess original striped t-shirts. Yo, he's been copying Bert and Ernie this whole time. Look at that. Super happy with these two. Alright guys, I gotta put you guys back. I gotta unbox two more of them. That's cool? Yeah, let's get into it. Alright, next up we have this yellow blob over here, and this yellow can only mean one thing. It is Big Bird. Let's get into this. Alright, we got Big Bird up over here. I don't know what's going on with Big Bird's neck. He's looking kind of like this. Alright, we're gonna have to straighten you out. He was like bent up in the box, but it's all good. Eventually, his Big Bird will be straightened out, but look at that. Okay, you got a little head action going on. Okay, that's cool. Wobbling. Okay, I see you. Hey, okay. But going on, you got Big Bird over here. Eyes with the KAWS axis. Beak is looking pretty good. And yeah, honestly, Big Bird, we're gonna have to get you to a chiropractor or something because your neck's looking kind of crooked. We'll get that all straightened out. Don't worry, I got a good chiropractor. Yeah, that's cool. All right, let's get you going and let's get on to the last one. This is probably my favorite one out of them because I've seen this one in store and I just wanted to see my personal one. And yeah, I'm sorry, Big Bird, you ain't in the, you're top 3 though. You top 3. You top 3 for sure. You, Elmo, and Cookie Monster are top 3. Putting you back now. Let's get into this one. Like I said, Cookie Monster, this big blue blob over here. Yo, I am excited, and honestly, Cookie Monster has been eating good because look at that belly. Oh my god, look at the fur on this. Like the whatever they use for this material over here is so soft and plush. That's why they call them plushes. I'm going crazy. I am like a kid on Christmas at this point, a kid at a toy store, everything, everyone, and rap. I'm just getting happier and happier. Big Bird, I mean not Big Bird, Cookie Monster's got the mouth over here as well that you can open up, whereas cookies go, nom 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 nom, all that good stuff. The X eyes, yo, honestly, look at that belly. Hey, look at that booty though. Look at them cakes. Look at them cakes. Ooh, it's a plump little boy over here. It's honestly like the size of a toddler. If you had a newborn, this is a little bigger than a newborn, and that's the best way I can describe it. Like look at this. Like this is my child. This is probably going to be bigger than a newborn out there with the chunky little belly and everything. That's the best size description I can give. I would say a little bigger than a newborn or about newborn size. Like that's pretty much it. You got this little 10-pound monster over here, what it looks like. But yeah, Cookie Monster is over here, and that is the unwrapping of all of them. Super happy with the quality on these. It is amazing. I'm gonna bring up the whole gang one time for a little group photo, and then yeah, let's get it. All right, so here's the family photo for you guys. As you guys can see, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these guys over here. $200, well spent in my opinion. I love these, and I hope my future kids love them as well, because this is dope right here. This is a family pic. Let me just pose up right now one time for the thumbnail. Let me get everybody looking at the camera. I can't even hold all of them. There's so many of them. But yeah, this is probably one of the best things I've purchased. I'm super happy with this. I know I tell you guys all the time, but I'm a kid at heart and I enjoy doing things like this, having things like this. This is just dope in my opinion. I love all of these guys over here. Super dope, super happy with them. This is my little hype gang, my new clique, my new squad. This is gang. And yeah, I'm super happy with all of these. My favorite 2 out of the entire pack would probably have to be Elmo and Cookie Monster. The quality on them is super dope. A little disappointed with Big Bird's neck being like kind of like, you know, homeboy's gonna get a chiropractor though. No, don't worry, we're gonna straighten him out. We're gonna straighten him out real good. And Bert and Ernie looking like an IG couple over here, looking super cute. And yeah, honestly, happy with all of them over here. I could not have asked for a better thing, and I'm super happy. I'm glad I got the box because it's kind of like a little collector's box, and you know me, I'm a sucker for collector's stuff. So yeah, all these guys over here are still available at Uniqlo probably. I know some of them have gone on sale. I've seen 1 or 2 boxes still left. I resold a box for like 50 over retail. I just did it whatever because you know this is like an expensive thing, and I was just reselling a bunch of items from this drop for people that weren't able to make it out on the initial drop. So I was able to pay off my box right away, and yeah, so I was able to treat myself to some stuff and get it for people who wanted it. So you know, no harm, no foul. So your boy is always doing this thing, resell his life. This is a flex right here. I might have to pull this fit off and take a fit pic with my homeboy over here. But anyways guys, let me know what you guys thought of the drop. If you guys still want the stuff, please check out Uniqlo. Go download the app, do what you gotta do, or buy it off StockX. It's pretty much going at retail price right now. You might be able to find it under retail. So do your thing. Go on there, check it out. You might get lucky and find a few things. But that is all for the video. Let me know what you guys thought of this drop down in the comment section below. Compared to the first drop, I love this drop a lot more just on the plushes alone. The clothing wise, I give it to the first drop. But yeah, plushes won the second drop in my opinion. I cannot wait to see what they do next with KAWS and Uniqlo collaborations. Super excited to see everything they've done so far and own all the plushes. The only thing I am missing is the white Snoopy, so I'm gonna work on getting that, and I'm a full set. Yeah, overall super happy with it. I know I've said it a bunch of times now, but yeah, I cannot be more thrilled to finally get this video out there. And as you guys can see, like, by the genuine reactions in the video, I honestly love this stuff and I'm super excited and super happy to share it with you guys. But that is it, and as always, I'm gonna hold up, let me get my boys Elmo and Cookie Monster to help me out with this one. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Me and the gang are gonna go roll out, cause some trouble in the hood. So yeah, we're gonna do our thing now, and yeah, as always, see you guys next time. Bye guys.